66 million years ago, a space rock changed the history of life on Earth. An asteroid about 10 kilometers wide slammed into Earth at a speed of roughly 20 kilometers per second. Within just 12 hours, this visitor from deep space rewrote the fate of the planet. The impact occurred near what is now the Gulf of Mexico, forming the Chicxulub crater, about 190 kilometers wide. The explosion released energy equivalent to around 100 trillion tons of TNT. At the impact site, nearly 300 billion tons of rock were instantly vaporized, and temperatures briefly rose to twice that of the sun's surface. All life within 1,000 kilometers was destroyed almost instantly. A superheated blast wave, traveling at over 1,000 kilometers per hour, swept across the planet. Dinosaurs in North America were killed before they could even hear the impact, torn apart by fire, molten rock, and debris. About 10 minutes later, massive earthquakes shook the entire American continent. Melted rock was thrown into space and then fell back through the atmosphere. The sky turned into a burning furnace. Firestorms and falling debris ignited global wildfires that lasted for hours. Around 75% of land plants were burned. Within 12 hours, roughly 50 billion tons of dust and soot formed a global cloud. Sunlight was blocked. Global surface temperatures dropped by up to 28 degrees Celsius within a day. What followed was a long impact winter, lasting years. Photosynthesis collapsed. Food chains broke down. Even dinosaurs that survived the initial blast slowly died from cold and starvation. Geological evidence shows that this event caused the extinction of about 76% of all species on Earth. Yet this is not just a story of destruction. 66 million years later, when we look at dinosaur skeletons in museums, we are also witnessing a story of recovery. Life rebounded. Mammals diversified. Eventually, humans appeared. The question remains, when the next global threat arrives, will we, armed with science and technology, do better than the dinosaurs?